Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating prerequisites so Docker runs smoothly. Make sure you have Windows 11 Pro/Enterprise or Home configured for WSL2. This matters because WSL2 provides the Linux kernel Docker uses. Once done, enable virtualization in BIOS and install the WSL2 kernel package, then set WSL as the default. Next, download Docker Desktop for Windows and sign in with your Docker ID. This links settings and pulls images. These first steps remove common blockers and set the environment correctly. You now install and configure Docker Desktop for production-like behavior. Run the installer and accept the WSL2 backend when prompted, because it gives better I/O and compatibility. After installation, open settings and allocate CPUs, memory, and disk space suitable for your workloads. Choose conservative values, then adjust. Also, enable WSL integration for the specific Linux distro you use so containers run inside WSL2. Once configured, restart Docker Desktop. This ensures the daemon and you finish by validating and running containers. Try Docker run rm hello world to confirm the engine, then run an nginx container detached with port mapping to test networking. If containers fail, check Docker PS and Docker logs for errors. Use Docker inspect for deeper state. Make sure to restart the Docker service or run WSL shutdown to reset WSL when things misbehave. If integration is the problem, toggle WSL integration for your distro and restart Docker. This resolves most Windows 11 Docker issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.